Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a percentage problem question. You're told the key parts of the question that you've got 1,200 pupils. And you're told that they're asked a question, but to be honest with you, that question is irrelevant. The important bit of information is what is shown in the chart. So this pie chart that you can see here is what is really important. So you're told that this section here is not important and that's equivalent to 12%. This section here is quite important and this is 41%. This section here is very important and you don't know how big that is. But you've got to work out how many pupils are very important. So this very important section is the bit we're interested in, and we've got to work out how many pupils. And we need to write that answer in this box here, and that will give me 1 mark in the exam. But to help us do that, we need to know the following key facts. So we need to know that 100% is for the total. So the whole pie chart represents 100%. So we've got 2 sections here. What is the missing percentage to take it up to 100? Once you've got that, you need to work out what this missing percentage is going to be of the total number of students, which is 1,200. So this diagram here represents 1,200 students, which is the total 100%. Once you've got this amount, you need to find 10% of the 1,200 by divided by 10. Once you've got 10%, you'll be able to work out 1%. Remember, to find 10%, you need to move all your digits 1 place to the right. So all these numbers here in the 1,200 are going to move 1 place to the right. And to find 1%, we divide the answer you've just got for 10% by 10 again to find 1%. Now, once you've got 10 and 1%, you can work out any possible percentage. So, for example, if it was 23%, you double the 10% to find 20%, multiply the 1% by 3, add those 2 answers together to give you 23%, just for an example. So you've got to find your required percentage by adding the amounts together. You might need to do some multiplying first and then do some adding. Just pause, see if you can work out how many pupils there are in total, then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic work, guys, so well done. To start with, we're going to look at working out what the total percentage is. So if I've got my 12% plus my 41%, 2 plus 1 is 3, 10 plus 40 is 50, so that is 53%, is this 2 sections here. So you can see it's slightly over half. Now we know the total percentage on the pie chart is over 100, so we've got to do 100 take away this 53, which gives me 47. You can do it using the column method if you need to, or you could just do 100 take away 50 is 50, take away 3 takes you down to 47. Now we need to work out 47% of 1,200. So that's our missing percentage, 47%. So we're first of all going to find 10% of 1,200. So 1,200 divided by 10, the 1 in the thousands column moves to the hundreds column, the 2 in the hundreds column moves to the ones column, and the zeros move down, leaving me with 120. Or that is the same as taking this last 0 off the end. Once I've got 10%, I can work out 40%. So multiplying this answer here, 120 by 4 will give me 40%. Multiplying, you can use the column method or grid method, whichever you prefer, or you can do it in your head. So 100 times 4 is 400, 20 times 4 is 80, so I've got 400 plus 80, which is just going to be 480. Going back to this answer for 10%, I'm going to find 1%. So to find 1% of 1,200, I'm going to take this answer of 120 and divide it by 10. So 120 divided by 10, remember all the digits move 1 place to the right, so the 1 from the hundreds moves to the tens, the 2 from the tens moves to the ones, so I've now got the number 12. Once I've got 1%, I can work out the 7%, so I need to multiply this number by 7. Again, you should know 12 times 7 off the top of your head if you've been doing all your TT Rockstar questions. So 2 times 7 is 14, 1 times 7 is 7, or 10 times 7 is 70. 70 plus 14 is 84, but it is a number you should know. 12 times 7 is 84. Now, the question says how many pupils answered very important. So we know very important was 47%. So we've got a 7%, which is 84, and we have got a 40%, which is 480. So if I add together 480 plus the 84 we got before, then that will give me my answer for 47%, which is this gap here, what is very important. So we should look at this. We've got a 4 on the end, so that's nice and easy, the 4. I've got an 80 plus an 80, which is 160, so we've got a 6 in here. 400 plus the 100 gives me the 500, so I've got 564. Remember to write your answer in the box provided. This will give you 1 mark in the exam. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 564 for 1M, which means 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.